So hello everyone, this is my second YouTube video and I hope that you liked my first video. So in this video I am going to discuss a very important topic of biology, that is cell. So there are four subtopics that we'll discuss in this video, and in the coming video I will discuss about cell organelles and cell division. So let's start. So our first subtopic is what is cell. So basically cell, it is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Why it is known as structural and functional unit? Because functional, because it can perform all life processes capable of independent living. Capable of independent living. And why it is known as structural? Suppose there's a building. So a building is made up of bricks. So similarly a body is made up of cells. So cell is the building block of life. That is why it is known as structural. So I will write here building block. Okay. So term cell is derived from the word cellular, Latin word cellular. This term is coined by Robert Hooke. He is also credited with the discovery of the cell. He discovered cells. He first observed cork cells. He actually observed dead cells and he named them cell. So next proceed to cell theory. So cell theory was proposed by two scientists. Cell theory was proposed by two scientists, namely Matthias Schleden and Theodorus Kavan. Matthias Schleden was a botanist and he was a zoologist. They both proposed the cell theory. So what is there in the cell theory? The cell theory says that body of plants and animals are composed of cells and products of cells. And the second point was cells are capable of independent existence. And the third point was that the cell can perform essential functions of life. Essential functions of life. So these were the 3 points that were there in cell theory. But later on, this cell theory was modified by Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow. He proposed that cell is made from pre-existent cell. In Latin, it is written as omnis celluli cellula. So this was all about my cell theory. So let's proceed to the next topic, which is types of cell. So there are two types of cells: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So what is the meaning of the word prokaryotic? Prokaryote means primitive carrion. Primitive. Pro means primitive and carrion means primitive cells. So basically prokaryotic cells are primitive cells and they have a primitive nucleus, nucleoid. They have a primitive nucleus, nucleoid. And they are simple. And these types of cells do not contain cell organelles except ribosome. Their examples are Monera, bacteria. Next is eukaryotic cells. And one more thing, their size ranges from 0.1 micron to 0.5 microns. So our next so next is eukaryotic cells. So U means true and caryon means nucleus. These type of cells contain true nucleus. They have nuclear membrane present, nuclear membrane present. They are complex and all cell organelles are present. Organelles present. Examples are protista and fungi. And their size ranges from 5 to 100 microns. So thank you friends, this was all for my second YouTube video. Let's meet in our next video in which I will discuss cell organelles and cell division. Thank you and please like, subscribe and share my channel.